Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the MyPy library for your Python and Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the MyPy library, then it is a static type checker for Python code. Thus, it enhances code readability and maintainability by identifying type errors before runtime. It also adds type hints to the Python code. So developers can use it to verify the correct usage of variables and functions, thus preventing potential bugs. So let's see how to install this library. To install it, simply head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install mypy. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. This includes the downloading and collection of packages, and after that it will attempt to install them into a system. And once that has been done, you can see this message which says successfully installed MyPy version 1.15.0 along with an extension for the same. So let's verify whether the installation has been done or not. To verify, from a new line of terminal, simply type in the following command, which is pip show mypy. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with some information like the name mypy, its version, as well as the location of the directory where it is present in my system. So that means that mypy has been successfully installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.